Introduction 001 o'clock. Did you know you can earn money from the comfort of your home? In this video, we'll explore 10 proven ways to make money online. Whether you're a beginner or looking for new ideas, these methods can help you start your online income journey. Let's dive in. Method 1. Freelancing 1 o'clock 3 o'clock. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. You can offer skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. Start by creating a profile, showcasing your skills, and bidding on projects. With dedication, freelancing can become a full-time income source. Method 2. Blogging 3 o'clock 5 o'clock. Blogging allows you to share your passion and earn money. Choose a niche like travel, tech, or health, and start creating content. Use platforms like WordPress to set up your blog. Monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. Consistency and quality content are key to growing your blog and income. Method 3. YouTube content creation 5 o'clock 7 o'clock. YouTube is a powerful platform to earn money. Create videos on topics you're passionate about, like tutorials, reviews, or vlogs. Join the YouTube Partner Program to monetize your videos through ads. Grow your channel by engaging with your audience and optimizing your content for search. Method 4. Dropshipping and e-commerce 7 o'clock 9 o'clock. Dropshipping lets you sell products without holding inventory. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Partner with suppliers who ship products directly to customers. Focus on marketing and customer service to grow your business. With the right strategy, dropshipping can be highly profitable. Method 5. Online courses and coaching 9 o'clock 11 o'clock. If you have expertise in a subject, create online courses or offer coaching. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy to sell courses. Teach skills like photography, coding, or fitness. Coaching can be done one-on-one or through group sessions. Share your knowledge and earn money at the same time. Method 6. Social media management 11 o'clock 1300. Businesses need help managing their social media accounts. If you're skilled in platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, offer your services as a social media manager. Create content, schedule posts, and engage with followers. Build a portfolio and find clients through freelance platforms or networking. Method 7. Affiliate marketing 1300-1500. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission for every sale. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Share affiliate links on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Choose products that align with your audience's interests for better results. Method 8. App or software development 1500-1700. If you know how to code, develop apps or software. Create useful tools or games and sell them on platforms like Google Play or the App Store. You can also offer custom software solutions to businesses. Continuous updates and marketing are essential for success. Method 9. Online surveys and microtasks 1700-1800. Online surveys and microtasks are simple ways to earn extra cash. Platforms like Swagbucks and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer small tasks like surveys, data entry, or testing websites. While not a full-time income, these tasks can supplement your earnings. Method 10. Selling digital products 1800-2000. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or stock photos. Use platforms like Etsy or Gumroad to reach customers. Digital products require no inventory and can generate passive income. Focus on creating high-quality, in-demand products. Conclusion and tips 2000-2200. Making money online takes time and effort, but the possibilities are endless. Choose a method that matches your skills and interests. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your online income journey.